Before you buy any lotion in 2026, you need to watch this video. Some lotions can glow your skin and some can ruin your skin. Hi, this is Noye Cynthia YouTube channel. In this video, I share the best body lotion to use for glowing skin, smooth, even skin, plus how to use them the right way. Yes, all you need is to watch to the end to get the best lotion for your skin. First on my list is the Glow Booster Body Lotion. It comes in two different types. Yes, it has the pink container, which is the lightening, and the blue container, which is the brightening. So if you want to get 2 to 3 shades, you go for the pink one. If you want to maintain a complexion and get that brighter and a glowing skin, you go for the blue one. So this lotion contains kojic acid for brightening, vitamin C, vitamin E for moisturizing as well, alpha-butene for toning. So if you're having hyperpigmentation, dark knees, dark elbow, dark knuckles on your body, on your feet, the best one to use is the pink one. If you're fine in complexion, the best one to use is the pink one. Why? If you're dark in complexion, you want to brighten your skin and glow your skin, you can as well use the blue one. You can as well use the blue one if you're having a sensitive skin, you just want to maintain your complexion, go for the blue one. Yes. Next is the Aqua Rich Body Lotion. You guys know this lotion. This lotion hydrates and brightens your skin as well. This lotion is for dry skin and for sensitive skin. If you're having a very sensitive skin, this lotion is the best. This lotion brightens your skin very well and it is safe for your skin. So if you want a lotion that will brighten your skin, glow your skin at the same time, this particular lotion is the best. If you want to hydrate your skin as well, this is the best. It moisturizes your skin, glows your skin as well. Next is the Advanced Purity Body Lotion. It comes in 3 different types. Yes, so I'm going to talk about the one that contains niacinamide hyaluronic acid, which helps to brighten your skin, glow your skin. Yes, so if you want a lotion that will glow your skin, safe for your skin, for sensitive skin and for all skin type, this particular lotion is the best. Lastly is the Mirror Whitening Body Lotion. For some of us that loves whitening lotion, this lotion is safer for you because it contains SPF 50%. Yes, safe for everyday use, morning and night. Yes, it contains glutathione, which is an active ingredient that whitens the skin, contains natural oils that help to glow your complexion as well. Yes, so this solution is safe to use. It also contains grasslin oil that helps to soften your skin. Yes, absorbic acid, which helps to moisturize your skin as well. Yes, so if you want a lotion that is safe for you to use, whiten your skin and will not react to your skin, this lotion is the best. Please note, if you're using this lotion, make sure you use your sun protection if you're applying it on your face. So guys, if you have any question, comment in the comment section. And that's all for today's video. See you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.